Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the brush you want to change. Open the brush editor now, press F5 or click the icon. This exposes pressure, spacing, and stabilizer controls. Once the editor is open, find the stabilizer section and toggle it on so you can preview changes live. You set an initial strength to 0. 5 to avoid oversmoothing, because small values preserve natural stroke dynamics while still reducing jitter. Now you choose the stabilizer mode that fits your workflow: weighted for consistent lag, adaptive for variable correction, or basic for minimal processing. Once chosen, tweak delay and smoothness. Increase delay to add a steady trailing effect, or raise smoothness to make lines steadier. Try values between 1/2 and 2, 0 to compare. After adjusting, test directly on the canvas with quick and slow strokes, because seeing results in motion. Finish by saving your tune settings as a custom preset so you can reuse them instantly. Make sure to test with your usual tablet pressure and cursor speed. If you still feel input lag, lower the strength or switch modes versus simply increasing delay, which can add awkward latency. If problems persist, reset the brush settings or restart Krita to clear cache states. One key troubleshooting tip: check tablet drivers and Krita performance settings if stuttering continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.